Hello everyone, welcome to AglaSem Talent Search Exam. This is Priya Srivastav and today I'll give you a demo of how you can take the exam from the desktop or laptop. So to begin with, first open the ATSE website on the URL. This is the homepage of ATSE website. To start your examination, first log in. To do so, in the top right corner, click on the user button and click on sign in. Here, enter the number you have used at the time of registration. As of now, I am using a demo number. Enter the OTP received on your number. Once you enter the OTP, you will be redirected to the profile page. Before starting your exam, click on the device test button to test your device. Click on webcam test start button to test your webcam. Once everything is tested properly, click on the submit device button. You can see you will get a message that your device is successfully registered. Click on the back button. Now to start your examination, click on ATSE exam button. Here you can see the list of exam that is allotted to you. In the bottom you can see some important instruction regarding the exam and regarding the system requirement. Now to start your test, click on the start button. And you can see you are redirected to the verification page. Here you can find some rules for the test. Now to start your examination, click on the start exam button. This will verify your face, and once your face is successfully verified, your test will start. Now here you can see in the top left corner the time, that is the duration of the test, followed by the name of the examination, and in the top right corner you can see the close button which you can use to close the test. Here you can see the question, and these are the respective options for this question. Here you can see the question palette, which can be used to switch to the questions directly. To save your answer, click on the option and click on the Save and Next button to save your option. In order to switch to the questions directly, use the question palette. You can see I have switched to question number 21 from question number 3. Select your option and click on the Save and Next button to save your answer. Once all your answers are submitted, you can either wait for the exams to close automatically once the duration is completed, or else you can click on the Close button to close your test directly. As of now, I'll close the test directly by clicking on the Close button. You can see that your test is successfully completed and you have got a message that your test is completed and submitted successfully. In order to view your results, please wait for some time. The results will be updated on ATSE website. Once your test is completed, you can log out from the website and you'll be redirected to the homepage of ATSE. This is how you can take the examination from ATSE website. Thank you.